Hi, I'm Dr. Bob Kuhn. I'm an emergency physician at U of L Health, Mary and Elizabeth Hospital. After college, I joined the Peace Corps and I lived in Guatemala for 2.5 years. That experience was integral to my education and my development. And I remember a particular situation. I was working in a remote village in Guatemala in the rainforest with subsistence level farmers. And I remember one gentleman who cut his leg while working. And that, unfortunately, his wound became horribly infected. And he suffered, and he couldn't work, and more importantly, he couldn't provide food for his children. He suffered for just the lack of even the most basic health care. That experience really kind of helped me understand the very tenuous nature between health and illness. And that's what drove me to become a physician. Well, I'm an emergency physician at U of L Health, Mary and Elizabeth Hospital, community hospital on the south end of Louisville. And we've got a large working class population, real robust refugee population, Latino population as well. And I see patients come in for strokes, heart attacks, abdominal pain, COPD flares, lacerations, broken bones, pregnancy-related issues, really the gamut. And I have a particular interest in point-of-care ultrasound, where in just a matter of minutes, somebody can come in and I can very quickly diagnose and get the patients the right treatment and get them on the right plan. In the emergency department, we deal with patients under the most dire and tragic circumstances. And despite that, I try to approach patients with compassion and empathy and try to actively listen in a very short amount of time that we have to really understand what the patient's circumstances are. Living in Central America for so long, I'm fluent in Spanish, and being able to converse with Latino patients in their native language, so it just reduces the stress level and really just helps me take care of their patients better. My wife, who I met in Baltimore during training, is from Louisville, and her family's here, so that's why. And plus, we looked all over the country looking for places to raise our family and chose here specifically for the culture, the community, and the schools. My kids wanted me to tell that I'm an avid mountain biker. I like to play tennis, and I do take, my real passion is sailing. And so I spend a couple trips a year at least going kiteboarding, which is my true passion.